Hello folks, Samsung announced its own take on Android 13 with One UI 5 at its annual Samsung Developer Conference, and we now get all the details about the latest features coming to Samsung phones in the coming weeks. Samsung confirmed One UI 5 will be available as a stable build firmware update to users in the upcoming weeks to Galaxy flagships like the Galaxy S22 series, Flip 4 and Fold 4. It starts with the redesigned lock screen, which now lets you customize your wallpaper, clock face and color palettes. Another neat addition is the video wallpaper option, which lets you place a short video on your lock screen. Samsung also refined the notifications in One UI 5 to be more intuitive, making them effortless to read at a glance, as well as offering more defined answer and decline buttons when receiving a call through the redesigned pop-up call display. Samsung is also bringing new smart suggestions for widgets and apps, offering suggestions based on your usage patterns. One UI 5 also offers new stacked widgets. This new feature lets you drag and drop widgets on top of each other and swipe left to right to quickly and easily scroll through each one to free up space on your home screen and use it more efficiently. One UI 5's routines features new recognition options that help start automations. Modes is the new feature that lets you program custom settings and app features for different parts of your day, like when you go to sleep or during workouts. For example, while you're exercising, your priority might be to mute notifications in order to stay in the zone and play music. Alternatively, when it's time for bed, turning off sounds and turning on dark mode can help you wind down. If only there was a no war mode, that would be priceless. Bixby Text Call is Samsung's answer to Google Screen Calling, and it lets you take calls via text message for those times when you don't feel like talking. When you answer a call with Bixby Text Call, the person on the other side of the line will be notified, and you can then type out what you want Bixby to say, while also transcribing what the other person is saying in real time. Bixby Text Call is already available to users in South Korea, while the English version is planned for early 2023. So this feature is perfect for those moments when you need to communicate but can't necessarily be heard, such as when on a busy train or at a noisy concert. With this feature, you can take your calls in any environment without being disruptive or missing a beat. Samsung Gallery now lets you extract text from images in your photos. You can easily extract text from images and paste it into a note. There is also a new connected devices menu and privacy hub with security and privacy dashboards. Samsung also added a new notification in the share panel, which warns you when you try to share photos with sensitive information like your passport or bank card. Folks, this is just a small part of the One UI 5 innovations. Stay tuned to learn more about One UI 5 on our channel. Also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, good luck to all.